Hi, my people. I'm gonna just jump right into it because I'm about to show you guys a cool product that was sent to me by the company named the Plush Co. It is, are you guys ready? Drum roll! Ta-da! This is IPL Intense Pulsed Light Laser Hair Removal Handset by the Plush Co. This is a non-invasive at-home light treatment which basically targets your hair roots to terminate their growth. It removes hair permanently by breaking the growth of hair cycle. And the coolest thing is that this is specially curated for Indian skin tone. We all know every time we have to get any procedure done, we have to make sure that this is going to fit our skin tone. With this, you're not going to have any problem. It works for men and women. It works on all your body parts from your legs, feet, thighs, bikini line, underarms, even your face, because it does have a setting for skin rejuvenation as well. How cool is that, guys? Let's move on to unboxing. IPL handset comes with instructions about how to use it and all the to-do list before you start the procedure and sessions calendar for you to not skip any of the sessions. And here is the booklet with all the details instructions. The handset itself is designed very smartly, very smooth, easy to hold. In the back on top we have air inlets and at the bottom we have air outlets, and this is the window where the light or the laser comes out, and at the bottom we have the charging port. This also comes with a charger and glasses to protect your eyes. Up front, we have the LED display and the operational buttons. Plush Co is the first to introduce at-home laser hair removal handset in India. Globally certified and approved to use at home for your laser hair removal needs. The whole process is actually very simple. The light pulses that gets emitted from this mirror here from the IPL handset, it hits our skin. Our skin has melanin, and melanin absorbs those light. It generates the heat, and that heat in turn destroys the hair follicle. This is a very painless process which basically stimulates the hair to go into the resting phase, giving you a long-lasting hair-free skin. To start the device, press and hold the power button and it'll turn the device on with the countdown till 10. To change the laser intensity, press the power button and as you can see, it goes all the way up to 8. Similarly, keep pressing the power button and it'll bring down the intensity from 8 to 1. If you press and hold the flash button, it'll change the mode from manual to auto as you can see on the LED screen, and then you can change the intensity as per your desired need. And if you press and hold the flash button again, it'll move back to manual. If you press and hold both flash and power button, it'll change the settings from hair removal to skin rejuvenation as you can see on the top of the LED screen. To turn off the device, simply press and hold the power button and it'll show you the countdown from 10 to 1. Wait till the countdown is over. Once the device is off, store the device in a dust-free and dry place. Here I'm going to show you how manual or the auto mode of the device works. When you choose the setting of auto mode, all you have to do is just simply place the device against your skin and the laser emitting from the mirror will automatically flash to remove the hair. On the other hand, if you choose the manual setting, all you have to do every time you place the device against your skin, manually press the flash button every time you would like the laser to emit from the mirror. Let me show you guys a demo. The prerequisites for the procedure is that you must shave all the hair before the procedure. Once you are done shaving, make sure you pad dry the area. There should be no moisturizer, no oil, nothing. Next, pick up the charger, plug it in like so, connect to the electricity charge port, and connect the port to the device, and press the power button and device will turn on. As soon as the device is turned on, the air inlets and air vents in the back will turn on too. Let's put on our glasses to protect our eyes and let's start the procedure. Here I am using the auto mode setting of the device. As you can see, I am simply placing the device against my skin. It's very crucial that you place the device against your skin at a 90-degree of angle and there should not be any gap between the device and your skin. Lift the device and place on the other area and continue to do so. Moving on to underarms, here I am using the intensity of 5. Make sure you do a patch test before you move on to every other parts of your body. This is the best way to distinguish which strength is best for which part of the body. If you desire to move up to higher intensities such as 7 to 8, you can put aloe vera gel on the desired part of the skin and follow the same procedure. Lift up the device and place at a 90-degree angle. Also make sure to wipe clean the front
in between the procedure. You can use this IPL device on your face for laser hair removal along with skin rejuvenation as well. Simply press and hold both flash and power button. Once you're done with the entire procedure, put on your desired lotion on all the areas where you have just done the laser hair removal procedure. And do not take shower for another couple of hours.
Welcome back, guys. So, as you can see, my experience was amazing, painless, smooth. I did both my arms, my hands, and my underarms, and I did not feel any pain, any irritation whatsoever. In fact, I'm going to continue using it and follow that sessions calendar and make sure I have hairless body. Some post care, once you're done with the full procedure, you can put on any moisturizer that suits your skin. If you're stepping outside, make sure you do put sunscreen on the areas where you have done the laser. If you do get some irritation or redness, please rest assured this is very common and this will subside in some time. If you're experiencing some dryness or itchiness, please remember this could also be due to shaving. If it's bothering you, you can cool the area with ice pack or with a wet cloth. And once you're done with the whole procedure, make sure you unplug the device, let it cool down, and wipe it clean, sanitize, and put it back. Store the device in a dust free and dry place. I strongly recommend you guys to just follow this book that comes with the device. It is very self explanatory, and I don't think you're going to have any hard time following any of the instructions. And you're going to love it as much as I did. I promise you guys. I'm really happy that I'm so stress free that I don't have to call the laser cleaning people to set up my appointments for laser every other month because now I can do it at home at my own luxury in my own free time. Isn't that cool? After the first treatment, it can take up to 1 to 2 weeks for the hair to fall out. During these 1 to 2 weeks, you might see some hair growth, but remember, these could be the hair that they were already in the growth phase. In second and third week upcoming, you will start to see a drastic difference in reduction of the hair growth. And by the time you reach week 4 to 5, you will definitely see a significant improvement in the hair growth. But keep up with the frequent touch ups, and it's going to be an amazing experience for you guys because I know it is for me, and I'm definitely going to continue using this product. Please comment, like, save to this video, and keep an eye on the comment section because I will provide an update after 4 weeks. Bye.